All right, good day, guys. We have this question from JAM 2004, question 20, where we are asked to factorize completely 4abx minus 2axy minus 12b square x plus 6bxy. So we dive straight into our question by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression 4abx minus 2axy minus 12b square x plus 6bxy. Now, having done this, the next thing we do is we collect like terms. So this is equal to 4abx minus 12b square x minus 2axy plus 6bxy. Now, this itself is equal to what we have at the bottom here. We factorize well. Proceed to factorizing 4bx from 4abx minus 12b square x. So we factorize 4bx and we're left with bracket open, a minus 3b bracket close. What we have the other hand is minus 2axy plus 6bxy. Now we factor out minus 2xy and we're left with a minus 3b bracket close. This leads us to bracket open, a minus 3b bracket close, bracket open, 4bx minus 2xy bracket close. Now, it's very possible for us to factor out or to continue our factorization from our second bracket. It's possible for us to factor out 2x if you look closely. And since this is still possible, we write equal to bracket open, a minus 3b bracket close. We factor out 2x from our second bracket and we're left with bracket open, 2b minus y bracket close. Now we rearrange our expression and we have 2x bracket open, 2b minus y bracket close bracket open, a minus 3b bracket close. These are final answer to this question. Thank you.